Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn the masculine and feminine form of colors in Arabic. In Arabic, colors are divided into two categories on the basis of masculine and feminine form. In the first category, masculine colors start with Hamza and its feminine form ends at Alif and Hamza. Today we are going to learn this category. For example, the first color is abayad, abayad, and its feminine form is baydo, baydo, abayad, baydo. These words are used for white color. The next color is aswad, aswad. Its feminine form is sauda, sauda. These words are used for black color. Aswad, sauda. The next color is akhdar, akhdar. Its feminine form is khadra, khadra. These words are used for green colors. Akhdar, khadra. The next color is asfar, asfar. And its feminine form is safra, safra. These words are used for yellow color. Asfar, safra. The next color is azraq, azraq. And its feminine form is zarqa, zarqa. These words are used for blue color. Azraq, zarqa. The last color is ahmar, ahmar. Its feminine form is hamra, hamra, hamra. These words are used for red color. Ahmar, hamra. Now we are going to learn the second category, in which we learn the masculine and feminine form of colors. In the second category, masculine color ends at ya, its feminine ends at ya and ta. The first example of second category is burtuqali, burtuqali. Its feminine form is burtuqaliya, burtuqaliya. These words are used for orange color. Burtuqali, burtuqaliya. The next color is romadi, romadi. And its feminine form is romadiya, romadiya. These words are used for gray color. Romadi, romadiya. The next color is bunni, bunni. And its feminine form is bunniya, bunniya. These words are used for brown color. Bunni, bunniya. The next color is zahri, zahri. And its feminine form is zahriya, zahriya. These words are used for pink color. Zahri, zahriya. The next color is banafsaji, banafsaji. And its feminine form is banafsajiya, banafsajiya. These words are used for purple color. Banafsaji, banafsajiya. The last color is worthy, worthy. Its feminine form is wordiya, wordiya. These words are also used for pink color. Wordi, wordiya. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.